Hi, to change Cole's background on the Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to open Phone app, tap on three dots, and choose Settings. After that, you should see this setting called Background. Simply choose it, and now you can select a picture or video to show when you make or receive calls. For that, tap on the icon Background. Now you can pick something from this featured tab, for example, this video. And you can also use video sound as ringtone if you want to. And to set it as call background, just tap right here. Also, we can set something from our gallery. So just tap it, choose any photo, and then confirm, so tap set as call background. And now call background setting is applied. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.